Hello, how are you doing? Today just doing a little vlog. Well, it's not gonna be a whole vlog, it's gonna be a Nick cooking vlog! Day 7 of Vlogmas. Can you believe it's been 7 days? Alright, let's check in with the chef now.
G'day guys, Merry Vlogmas. Today we're making Mama Bear's pasta sauce and some pasta. Yeah, it's like a lentil tomato pasta sauce thing that my mum always used to make. She was vegetarian, but her 3 sons and her husband weren't, so she used to cook a sauce for us and then a vegetarian one for herself. But the vegetarian one was pretty good and she taught me how to make it, and then I've been making it ever since. Now you guys can have a go at making yourself. So any good bolognese pasta sauce needs lots of garlic, and if I had more I'd use more. Now the red ones are good because they're nice and thin and they cook really fast. Today we've got Mr. Benedict's tomato.
We got chickpea pasta.
A little bit of olive oil.
Anything interesting happened today?
Today? No, I've got nothing interesting to tell you guys. Can we have a Murray fair? Where was your favourite place to visit when you were a kid?
One of my favorite places as a kid, well, we always used to go to Chicago every summer because my dad grew up there and so his parents lived there, so we would go visit them. So we would take a little summer trip every summer to go there, and I have nice fond memories of going there. But those were back in the days, like on regular United airplanes. They would feed you a whole meal and everything, and there would be a movie on and it would just be so exciting to me. Probably that helped spur my love of travel, just doing that every summer. Nick's turn?
So I want to answer, where did we used to go? We used to go to Central Otago, so around Wanaka and Queenstown region, and then we'd go camping pretty much. So we'd go stay at a camping ground for a couple of weeks and hang out with all the other camping ground kids. It was pretty fun. Some garlic. Now I put my red lentils in. Half a bag here, so it's about 250 grams. Tomatoes. And a whole bunch of water. It's just gonna simmer for a bit. A bit of carrot in there is always good, I think. Thirsty lentils. A little bit of tomato paste. A little bit of salt. So all the flavour comes from when you reduce it. Now we wait. Oh, do you want a beer? I'd have a beer.
Okay. He's not just a chef, guys, he's a bartender too.
Oh. Yep. This is an important ingredient.
Thank you.
It's for the chef. Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Why don't you join us for a drink? Pour one for yourself. If you don't drink alcohol, you know, have a juice, chocolate milk, cup of tea. We don't really drink that often. But, you know, hanging out with you guys felt like a special occasion, so. While this sauce is simmering away, I'm just gonna say, it is really good. Cause I'm not really vegetarian, but I eat a lot of vegetarian stuff, but I'd never had a sauce like this before. And then when I saw Nick make it, I was like, what? This is amazing. And so now I make it too. And it's nice because you can kind of just like freestyle it. Like there's no like exact set recipe that you have to follow. Just throw in whatever you have available. I feel like red lentils and tomatoes are the main thing. Would you agree? Yeah. And garlic. And then, yeah, whatever other veggies you like, you can add. Lentils have so much protein that it's really good for vegetarians. And then it feels like hearty, and it tastes like pasta sauce. What else do you need?
Carrots going in. Some green sides I'm gonna steam on top of the pasta while it's cooking. 2 birds, 1 stone. 8 to 10 minutes. It's looking pretty good. Yeah.
Did you have a favorite food as a kid?
I was always a spag bowl fan. It's good. Spaghetti bolognese. Yeah. Lasagna. Mum used to be a chef in Italy, so she could cook good pasta-y stuff. But there's an important ingredient we need for this. Come hither.
Oh.
We're going on an adventure. And over here to the basil farm. Yeah, we're gonna pick some basil. And you take the big leaves and the little ones will grow.
It smells good.
It smells real good.
Look at all of Nick's plantings. We got basil. Right here we've got 3 tomato plants, a chili plant, cilantro / coriander, and more basil. Yum!
Smells real good. So keep an eye on it, folks. Don't let it burn.
Here we have Nick dishing up our lunches for tomorrow. Yep.
Meal prepping. Some grated cheese, that's good. A little bit of pepper. Some fresh basil. Steamed veg.
Looks beautiful. That's a good veggie bowl. Alright, I'm excited to try it. Look how good. We've got the lentils, we've got the veggies, we've got the cheese, we've got the healthy pasta. Oh, I'm making a mess.
That.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's delicious, healthy, and delicious. Highly recommend. At the meetup in Christchurch, people were like, "Where's the meat?" Anyway, Nick's gonna cook a meat lasagna soon, right?
Yeah. From scratch.
Yeah, from scratch. He makes like the pasta himself and everything, and it's so good. So, wait for that. And if you have any other questions for Nick, if you want more Nick facts, leave it in the comments.
Or Murray facts. Murray facts are that too.
Did you pick who you're gonna give the chocolate to yet?
No.
He hasn't picked yet. If you don't know what we're talking about, then you should go watch that video and enter in the drawing. I'll link it below so you can enter. You might win some chocolate from Nick.
Yeah, some New Zealand chocolates.
New Zealand, yeah.
Good Kiwi
Just because
chocolate.
he likes you guys so much.
I'm a fan.
This weekend we're gonna go on a little trip somewhere. We don't know where yet because that's how we roll. One reason why we usually wait is just because of weather. Like weather can be so different, so sometimes we'll just look at a map and see wherever the weather looks best and then go there. And then, because we stay in the van usually, like it's not like we have to book anywhere.
Yeah, that's true.
Meanwhile, I have some other videos prepared for you.
Do you?
I do.
What are they about?
Tomorrow we have a video about how to plan a trip. Wait, that sounds funny because I just said we don't plan trips. It's how to plan a trip of 3 weeks or more. Or at least how I plan a trip of 3 weeks or more. But you guys have asked about how I plan a trip a few times, so finally I made a video about that. Yeah, and then I have a New Zealand favorites video coming, which I think a lot of you are excited about.
Am I a favorite?
Yeah, you're the #1 favorite. Maybe it's gonna be 50 things about Nick.
I don't even know if I know 50 things about Nick.
You'd be surprised. I don't know what that means.
How many meals do you think these guys will watch us eat?
That's a good question. How many wraps have they seen us eat?
And on that note, is that a wrap?
Well said. That's a wrap. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, and as always, you know, if you made it to the end of this video and you're still watching and you're not subscribed, then you should probably subscribe because you can see a lot more of this.
Yeah, exactly. A lot more.
You know this is what you want in your life, isn't it?
Someone eating broccoli.
Yeah. This is the inspiration you've been waiting for. To eat broccoli. Well, okay, on that note, we've really dragged this on, so...
It feels like forever.
Time to go. Farewell. Goodbye. How does this one go?
I don't know.
Adieu. Auf Wiedersehen.